Hello, my name is Amber Wilson and I am a proud parent at Roscoe Elementary. I have created this amazing flyer for the upcoming spring field day along with this video to show you, the committee, why my flyer is the best choice for strategically enticing the parents and families of our Roscoe Elementary children in attending next year's field day. The first thing one might notice about my flyer is its abundance of bright complementary colors. According to Landa, complementary color schemes are composed of any two opposing hues on the pigment color wheel, which tend to visually vibrate. My extensive use of green and yellow color wheel complements contrast with each other visually, thus drawing the eye in. Green and yellow also make good strategic choices, as green is often associated with the outdoors and youth, and yellow being associated with joy, spring, and the sun. These two colors are very deliberate color choices and are part of why the committee should choose my flyer. Next is lines. Rasmussen has stated that curved lines tend to give off a playful and graceful quality. Curved lines seem more flexible and graceful to viewers. Many organizations strategically use these types of lines to make viewers and clients feel at ease and secure. We want parents to attend our field day, so it only makes sense that they should feel that their children are safe and attending. My use of curved fonts and large round sun indicate a playful nature indicative of the upcoming field day, while also promoting safety. I have also strategically included straight lines in some of the informational fonts. While straight lines frequently give the impression of strictness, stiffness, and rigidity, they can also be used strategically in order to be perceived as organized and reliable. We want parents thinking of us as dependable. They want to attend an event that is well organized and thought through. This is why my flyer is the obvious choice. Now, according to Landa again, balance stabilizes the composition. It is the equilibrium created by an even distribution of visual weight on each side of a central axis, as well as an even distribution of weight among all the elements of the composition. As one can see from my flyer, the sun lies at the central focal point with the text hugging the shape and the outlying words forming the bottom and borders of the flyer. This helps to contain the message within the flyer by drawing the eye to the central focal point. Now, employing contrast, differences in size, shape, color, texture, adds hierarchy. You want people to notice a difference among the graphic elements, such as type and images. Landa got this exactly right, as I have employed contrast in the way of complementary colors, texturized fonts, and bright font colors, thus making the message stand out. Greater value contrast between type and background also increases the readability. The type is intentionally rendered in bubble text to ensure readability. Also, people tend to read darker colors first. The text in dark blue is intentionally done to emphasize the fun and interaction of the field day in question. Therefore, using color, lines, balance, and contrast in cohesive harmony, this will ensure the individuals of all ages will be enticed to read our flyer, while also subconsciously influencing them to attend our field day. Using these elements successfully is why I, Amber Wilson, should be chosen for the Roscoe Elementary Field Day Flyer Competition. Thank you.